Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. So date today is 19th of March and time now is around 4 p.m. and as usual markets were volatile, and I was saying that the likelihood of market going on the higher side is very limited in specific. Yesterday's video also I told, even though it was going on the higher side, I still believe, I have a perspective that the market is going to close below 22,000. So if you have not watched that video, you can go back and watch yesterday's video. I have told clearly that I am expecting, it is my perspective, it is my outlook that the market will come down, and that is what has happened. So finally, after a long struggle, maybe 2 or 3 days of struggle, Nifty has closed below 22,000, which was a super strong resistance, super strong support. Now it is going to be a resistance, right? 22,000 is going to be a resistance. Now what might happen, what is going to be the trajectory, what is going to be the price action in terms of market, we will talk in this video. And many people say I don't know anything. That's because, yeah, I don't know anything. That's why I have drawn a trend line, which is, I have drawn this trend line for more than 10 or 15 days. I don't know that, I don't know this. And I will tell you one more thing. Today we made a profit of around 40,876 rupees, which turn out to be around let's say 1.33%. So with that, we are sitting in a profit of around 15.57%, right? And we have a very important data today and tomorrow as well in terms of US market, not in terms of Indian market, in terms of US market. And US markets are also kind of kind of jittery. It is not performing. US futures are all in kind of flat. Not only US, even European futures are also flat. So we'll see how things pan out. As I talk to you, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, you can see here all three futures are kind of flat, and Europe is also kind of flat, right? So what is the next big thing? What is going to happen in terms of Nifty? That is the main question here. Now I expect that Nifty, if we are getting bad news. So in terms of news, let me tell you, we have tomorrow we have a very important news, which is going to be Federal Reserve interest rate decision in the US, which is going to take place at around 11:30 p.m. tomorrow. And before that, we have another not significant data, building permits for February, which is also going to be not significant for us, but maybe for US market. So with that being said, what might be the action? Let's say, for example, US market, let's say Jerome Powell is going to come out, and till tomorrow it is going to be like this market. You are going to see sideways move in the market. Let us say Federal Reserve chairman comes out and says he is giving a very negative statement. What might happen? The probability of market coming to 21,000, this is 21,500, is very high, likely very high. So okay, now what might happen if there is a positive news? Maybe again Nifty will go and try and test 22,000 for this week. That is what we are expecting. So tomorrow we will have to wait. Till then, it is going to be very volatile, or it is going to be choppy. It is going to make 2-way, 3-way move. And today, I am not sure if you had noticed Nifty, Banknifty was down by 200 points, but you look at the Nifty chart. This is the hourly chart of Nifty, and look at the way they are moving. This candle, this one candle, maybe it has moved more than 150 or maybe 100 points, right? So this is how manipulation, this is what manipulation works, right? So, and if you see the Banknifty, it was down by 200 points, almost 200 points, but Nifty want to close in the green. That means they were targeting put sellers, right? Put sellers were targeting around 20,000, 20,600, and even call writers. Bulls and bears were fighting, or buyers, call writers and put writers were fighting at 20,600, and somehow they have managed to close below 20,600. Let me change this to a 5-minute chart so that you can get an idea of what is happening in Nifty and Banknifty, right? Nifty, right? So this is Nifty chart for you. and you can see the zigzag movements, spikes, or injections, they say, right? They say this as injections. So these all kind of markets volatility was we were experiencing. Today's low was almost 20,500. So we'll see how things work out. Tomorrow maybe is Bank Nifty. It is going to be even more tougher. We'll see how things work out. For now, we are expecting in terms of Bank Nifty. Let me go to the Bank Nifty chart. In terms of Bank Nifty, you can see here. I have drawn this yellow line maybe day before yesterday or maybe 2 or 3 days back, and it is exactly sitting at 46,300. In fact, maybe we will test 46,200 or 46, even 46,000 if we are getting a bad news in terms of US market. If we are getting a positive news, maybe we will retest maybe 47,000, right? We don't expect market Bank Nifty to move above 47,000 and below 46,000. So that's a wide range because Bank Nifty is a big index, and we expect some Bank Nifty to trade between 46,000 to 47,000. So tomorrow is Bank Nifty expiry. We'll see how things work out. So I'm sure you are aware of the US markets also. So be very careful and make sure you hedge your position and you have hedge correctly placed in your trades, right? So that in case there is any big gap up or gap down, you will be protected, right? So in terms of US market, I have told. In terms of trading economics also I told. And this trading economics previously also I have told that this is a very, very good website. In fact, if you are following me in Twitter, I am following only one website, one thing that is in Twitter, that is trading economics. Apart from that, I am not using or I am not following anyone in Twitter, or for that matter, even in YouTube, I am not following anyone, right? So we'll see how things pan out. Make sure you hedge your position, and today is a very, very good opportunity. Had you taken a trade, today was very, very good opportunity. Why, I will tell you. So if you have seen India VIX was on the higher side today morning, right? Yeah, today morning, and it dropped drastically. This is the 5 minutes chart. You can see here India VIX went above 14 or almost touch 15, right? 14.5. Had you done a straddle today morning, you would have been in good profit. Otherwise also, okay, tomorrow also you can trade, but make sure you hedge. There is a strong disclaimer. If something goes wrong, you will have to do it. You will have to handle it yourself, right? Umar is not going to come, right? So we'll see how things pan out. I think I have summarized everything. I'm saying again and again, please don't leave your position unhedged. Don't take naked. Don't sell naked call options or put option. If you are an option seller, make sure you hedge your position. Make sure you have some insurance, so that in case market comes down, you are going to be protected. If there is any big gap up or if there is any gap down, you will be protected. I have seen people who have lost huge money because of gap ups and gaps down, right? And let me tell you one example. Even in Russia-Ukraine issue, we saw Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty gapping down more than 1,200 points, and Nifty gapping down below maybe 450 points. On that day alone, we lost more than 3 or 3.5 lakhs. So I would suggest always hedge your position. Don't trade without hedging, right? And in terms of Nifty, I am expecting somewhere around another 2 more days for this week expiry. This week I am talking, this week maybe 21,500 to around 22,000. 22,000 is not going to be taken out. And in terms of Bank Nifty, 46,000 to 47,000 is what we are expecting, or is the range which is going to which Nifty and Bank Nifty is going to be trading for this week, right? I'll leave here. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.